welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So today I worked on pulling some wire, finishing some piping, and starting to hang some lights. So pulling wire through all these boxes here in the ceiling and that switch that was just shown at the beginning of the video. Coworker fixed the pipe on the right a little bit this morning, and I piped this one on the left between the two orange box extensions right here. And then pulled the rest of this wire between the circuits, and then went ahead and pulled the wire to the across the room from switch to switch, which was the blue wires in here on the right side of the bottom of that box. And then working on pulling some more wire to the stairwell hallway, and working on hanging these two lights right here. So the first one is up, and it looks like one of the pipes broke in the concrete, so we have to surface pipe across from light to light. So I already hung the light and got all the measurements, so I took it down, and now we're gonna hang the pipe and then put the light back up. So if everything was bent correctly, it should just go right back together. And then also pulling the wire from that light over to these stairwells, same circuit, and just pulling the wire between the top box right there, which the sprinkler fitters drilled right through our box, so that's exciting. And then pulling wire over here to this other lighting box from the light box where the light goes, which I took down, which I already described. All right, everyone, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Hopefully that all made sense and wasn't too confusing there at the end. I did forget to mention yesterday, or show you guys, my coworkers bet me $2 gave me $2, and they told me they wanted chops, so basically just shave this part. So I kind of just want to leave it just because it is pretty cold and I don't want to be cold on the rest of my face. This side turned out a lot better than this side over here. But anyways, that's what we're working with, so it's pretty funny, but actually I'm kind of liking it a little bit, so everyone thinks it's pretty bad. Beep. So anyways, that should do it for today's video. I did get a new car, new to me car, just same car as the other one. It might be a few years newer, 1992 possibly, but I will show you guys that when I get a chance. Some of you have already seen it on Instagram, and anyways, that should do it for today's video. Thanks for watching again. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It'd help me out. And don't forget to check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Thanks so much, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.